What's up, everybody? This is Snoopyholic. Uh, Today I had busy day with the family, and because it's Sunday here, and now it's getting dark. Also, today was very great day. Anyway, so I am going to the bakery at the moment to get some croissant. What is your Sunday like normally? My Sunday is always time with my family, and which is very nice. And I'm very happy to see my cute niece and everything. Oh, by the way, I have a question. What is B-roll actually? Is it something like this that I'm trying to do? Well, I don't know. If anybody know, let me know. And here we are at the bakery. These are the typical cakes that are popular in Korea and what they look like. Aren't they so sweet? And these are the just normal breads. Actually, Korean breads are quite sweet, so many people complain, like Western people. But this bakery has really good just normal bread that you consider as a bread for meal. And of course, you can't miss the trial chance. So this is the one of the ciabatta. Let me grab one and I really like this bakery. Okay, I got everything I need, so it's time to go back home. Now it's time to drink tea. This is white tea blended. As you can see from the tea leaves, it has a little bit of buds and aged leaves, which are darker color. And it also has flower and a very nice hint of chocolate. Well, not hint actually, it is very strong. It has a very strong chocolate scent, and also you can taste it. And yes, in this kind of blending tea, I usually brew them for 3 to 5 minutes. So that's why I prefer to use, when I drink blending tea, I would use this kind of big teapot so that I can just do it all together at once. And yes, it's time to drink tea. And the reason I will do it is normally blending tea is just they kind of go quickly, so once you brew them, then that's it. That's the all they have, or all they can give. If I try to do it again, so I pour more water later on, that wouldn't give me more taste. So just for once, just enjoy the most of it, and that's why I brew them like 3 to 5 minutes. Nice, as usual. So, I think this is it today. Thank you very much for watching, and hit the like button if you like this video, and feel free to subscribe if you want to keep on watching what I'm drinking, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.